Beginner-friendly tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a photography service website on WIX. Once on Wix.com, I want you to create an account. You can create your Wix account for completely free using your email address. You don't need a credit card or anything like that. Once you have created your account, you're going to tap on Create on Wix Editor. And from here, I want you to simply tap on Set Up Without AI. After selecting Set Up Without AI, you're going to tap on the search bar and you're going to type in Photography Services. So I want you to do that real quick, so let me do that. So you're going to type in Photography Services and we're going to tap on that. So you can see Wedding Photography Service, Photo Booth Service. You can see different sub niches that you can choose from. So all you have to do is select one of those sub niches that best decides or best suits you. Or you can simply select photography services that you see right there. After doing that, you're going to tap on continue. From here, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Once on the dashboard, you'll be able to choose the name of your website. So you can type in the website name right there. Then tap on continue. After doing that, you can choose the main goal for your website. So more than likely it will be to offer services. So we're going to select offer services. We're also going to select promote ourselves, or you can choose to promote a business. So we're going to tap on promote myself right there, and we'll also be using it to collect leads, and then we'll tap on continue. After tapping on continue, from here you can see some apps that were automatically added. So for example, the portfolio app. So this will allow you to showcase work that you have done in the past so you can intrigue and better warm up potential customers. You can also select the Instagram feed option, so that will show social proof also. And you can also select the booking app, and by selecting the booking app, this will allow clients to schedule appointments through your website. You can scroll down and you can see different apps that you can also add. So for example, if you would like to add the blog app, you could do that, and this will allow you to write blog posts, so you could do that if you want. After doing that, you're going to tap on continue in the bottom right hand corner. Once you have selected continue, I want you to tap on go to dashboard. Once on the dashboard, I'll be showing you how to edit your portfolio so you can show them different work that you have done in the past. I will also be showing you how to set up the different services. So you're going to go over to catalog from the left hand menu option, and you're going to select booking services. After selecting booking services, you can see some sample services that were added. So for example, engagement photo shoot, family photography, and you can see newborn photography, event photography, and so on. So you could select these options and you could simply tap on edit, and from there you could customize it to your liking. So for example, you could change the cover image if you want by simply tapping on the X. Then you could upload your own image. You can also change the estimated duration time, and you can scroll down and you'll be able to set the price that you would like to offer this service for. After doing that, from there, if you want to add staff members, you can tap on add staff and you'll be able to do that. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on save in the top right hand corner. After tapping on save, if it is a case that you'd like to add more services, you can do that by tapping on add a new service. And by tapping on add a new service, you can select any one of these sample services, or you could choose to tap on start from scratch and you could create a service. But let's say we were to select wedding photography. Then I'm just going to scroll down and I'm going to set a random price real quick. Then tap on save once more. So I'll be adding 2 sample services so you can see it right there. Now that we have added some services that we like to offer, it is now time to add some proof. So we're going to select portfolio from the left hand menu option. And from here, you can remove the sample projects by tapping on the box right here. You could select delete and you could remove the sample projects that were added. Then you will tap on add project. After tapping on add project, you can type in the title So for example, you could type in wedding or so on, then tap on next. Then from here you could add a quick description. So let's say for example it was a beach wedding shoot. You could type that in the description right there. Then you'll tap on next, and from here you could type in the date, location, and the project type. Then you'll tap on next, and from here you can upload the media from your device. So you could upload the photos that you had taken or the video or so on right here. Now after adding your portfolio, you can choose to create a collection by tapping on Manage Collections. Now once you have done all of this, all you'll need to do now is tap on Getting Paid from the top left hand corner. From here I want you to tap on Connect Payment Method. And you can connect your PayPal, TiloPay, or if you would like even more payment options, you can simply change the location of your website. So for example, you can tap right where you see Jamaica on my screen. And for example, if I were to select Canada, you will realize that I can now offer more payment options, as you can see right there. So if you want to offer even more payment options, you can tap on See More Payment Methods right here. And as you can see, this will allow me to connect AAA, Afterpay, and so much more. Once you're finished setting up the payment options, I should tell you that you will need to go onto the WIX paid plan. But it is definitely worth it, as it starts off at $17 per month, and by doing this you'll be able to collect different payment methods through your WIX website, and you'll also be provided with a custom domain name and so much more. So this is definitely a good investment, and it is one of the most affordable packages across all different website builders. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Set Up in the top left hand corner, then tap on Design Site in the top right hand corner. After doing this, you're going to tap on Pick a Template. After selecting Pick a Template, this is one of the main features why I recommend WIX for beginners. As you can see, with these stunning templates, you will be able to create a professional looking website in no time. So you can select whichever one of these you want. So let's say for example I were to select this one. All I would need to do is tap on Edit. After selecting Edit, you're going to give it a few seconds. Then you'll be redirected to your website editor. Once on the editor page, all you'll need to do now, if you would like the WIX AI to add content to your website, you could tap on the box and you could type in some information, then tap on Generate Site Text, and it would add articles to your website. I would normally close the box, tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner, and this is how our website looks at the moment. And you can see that it looks stunning. And to make any changes, all you need to do is tap on the section, then you'll tap on Quick Edit, and from there you could change the photo, and you can scroll down and you can continue changing each page if you want. But you can see that it does look very professional and it is easy to navigate around. And if you would like to change the name right here, you can simply tap on the text, then type in whatever you want. And it is as easy as that to edit each page. And to view all pages, you'll tap where you see Home in the top left hand corner, and you can see the different pages right here. So for example, if I were to tap on Portfolio, you will see how the portfolio page looks. So you can see it right there. And by the way, if it is a case that you would like to add a pop-up or text box, music, anything at all to your WIX website, all you'll need to do is tap on the plus in the top left hand corner that says Add Elements. And you can see the different elements that you can quickly add to your website. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Save in the top right hand corner. Then you can tap on Preview to see how it looks. And you can also tap on Publish for your website to go live. But this is how our website looks at the moment. You can see that it looks stunning. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching. For example, if they were to tap on Book Online from the navigation bar, from there they'll tap on Book Now, After they have tapped on book now, they'll be able to choose the date and time, and then they'll be led to the payment page. Thanks for watching.